What's up everybody, Josh here, and in this video I'm going to head down to Parrish, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour of two brand new construction homes in the Salt Meadows community. And these are built by Meritage homes, and these two are they start in between the mid 300s to upper $300,000. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. This is the Meritage Homes Bluebell floor plan in the Salt Meadows community in Parrish, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,491 square feet. The HOA fee out here is $12.50 per month, and the CDD fee is $2,844 per year. So let me pan around, show you what it looks like over here. Then we'll go inside, take a look. And they're still building out here, obviously. And they have several of this floor plan available throughout the community. So if you don't like this color scheme or the lot or whatever, just reach out and we can show you what's available. The front door, you got your tile floor all throughout except for the bedrooms. To the right here up front, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. So the first one here, the carpet, you got the 1 can light in the ceiling there. And then the closet, as you'll see, they're still doing some touch-ups here in this particular property. All right, first bathroom up front here, you got your white cabinets, you got your quartz countertops, so white quartz, undermount sink. You do have the can light above, and then there is tile around the shower, tub and shower combo, and then the toilet there. Bedroom number 2. Pretty similar, if not the same size as the first bedroom. All right, continuing on down the hallway. To the left right here, laundry room, washer and dryer. You got your attic space above there. As you can see, they're still working as well. And then out to your 2-car garage. Hurricane shutters in the corner over there. You have your water heater in the corner as well. And then there's another attic access right there. All right, continuing on. Let's go take a look at the master suite first, then we'll come back to the kitchen. So back over here, it's gonna be the main bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. And then into the bath, you got that same tile floor, same white cabinets, the quartz countertops, dual vanity, undermount sink, and then you have the 2 can lights above. And then right across from there would be where your linen closet is. If you wanted to put a bifold door or something like that, you could. And then here is your shower here with the tile around the shower. I've seen people put a glass door, right here, install a glass door instead of using a shower curtain rod. In the back here is going to be your walk-in closet. And it does wrap around a little bit over here. And then of course right here is going to be your toilet. All right, let's go back, take a look at this kitchen living room. All right, so you come on out into your living room area here. Kitchen over here, gonna have your quartz countertops, your white cabinets, your stainless steel appliances. So you got your refrigerator there, your pantry right over here. It is an electric community here, so you got your range there, your microwave above that. And then the islands, you have your undermount sink and your stainless steel dishwasher there. And then right over here would be your dining area. And then sliding glass doors out to the backyard. As you can see, this particular property is on a pond. So you got a nice water view here. Nice sized backyard. It goes all the way to where that little blue flag is. So nice sized backyard. And then of course, you know, you're around the pond. And then here is a view of the back of the property. So this is the Bluebell floor plan. All right, this is the Meritage Homes Daphne floor plan in the Salt Meadows community in Parrish, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1695 square feet, and same HOA at $12.50 a month, and the same CDD. All right, this one's 2 houses down from the first one. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. Nice stonework on the front here. All right, let's go inside. You come in, you got the tile floor. Immediately to the right is gonna be your flex room. And there is guys in here still doing touch-ups, so you'll see those. So nice flex room up front here. All right, coming on in to the left right here, you're gonna have your laundry room right here. There is attic access through the laundry room. And then right out here, it's gonna be your 2-car garage. Attic access out in the garage as well. And then coming in out of the garage, go to the right. You go right into your kitchen here. Got the stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, white cabinets, your walk-in pantry there. Got your electric range, microwave, and in the island, you have your undermount sink and stainless steel dishwasher. Let's go back over here first, since the guys are over here, and then I'll come back to that section in a minute. So you got your living room / family room here. And then the master suite's gonna be over here. The light in the bedroom is not working right now, so it's a little dark in here for that. But nice size bedroom. Let me turn this light off because I know this was just on. Yep. All right, so nice size walk-in closet. And then into the bathroom. So you come in to the right, be the toilet. And then right behind the bathroom door is your shelving for your linen closet. Then your dual vanity here with the quartz countertops, white cabinets. Got your 2 can lights above. And then your shower here with the tile around the shower. All right, let's go take a look. I think he stepped out, so let's go back over here and take a look at these other bedrooms. So you have another bath right here. Quartz countertops, same white cabinets. Got your tile around the tub and shower combo. And then bedroom number 2 right here. You do have a can light above right there. And then the closets. And then bedroom number 3. Nice size bedroom as well. All right, so I know this is a little out of order, but let's go back this way. Go out the sliding glass door and take a look at the backyard, and I'll show you what the back of the property looks like as well. All right, so come on out. This one doesn't seem as big as a backyard as the first one. I mean, it's a bigger home, so it's gonna sit back a little bit further. But you know, you had this kind of corner view of the pond. And then here is the back of this one. And once again, this is the Daphne model by Meritage Homes.